Okay guys, there has been some new development. As you can see, the car is once again disassembled. I took the liberty and actually replaced the injectors once again with the ones that were on this car. The only thing is that I removed the rubber seals that were on them. You can see they just broke trying to get them out, and now it is with the new seals. But what happened was that she lost the idle and the middle and the lower RPMs, because once the temperature of the engine dropped, she began to behave weird again, and I decided to check the injector that is responsible for the cold start, and I don't know if it is responsible for the idle as well, but the car is starting difficult. And when I took this out, you can see that it is bone dry, and I decided to replace it with the one from the other car, but there was fuel on that one. Here there is no fuel, so now I'm gonna mess with this even further. You can see there isn't any sign of liquid. This is the line for this injector. So I'm gonna mess with this even further, and I'm gonna try to remove this thing and see what is going on inside. Probably something is stuck, or I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm gonna disassemble basically everything that my eyes see, so I hope that you'll enjoy this show. Well guys, this is all there is to it. This is the whole unit that is the injection itself. Actually, it is not that complicated and scary, but I don't wanna disassemble this now because I'm tired, and actually I'm gonna leave it for another time. You can see there is this seal that is beneath it and may play a role in the way this works. So we have the fuel regulator over here, and this is a sensor that tells the computer the position of the valve that is inside. So when the throttle pedal is pressed and this lever is activated, the vacuum inside pushes down this valve. There is a valve down there, and the vacuum squeezes that down, and when that is squeezed, there is a lever inside over here. There is a lever that actually goes upwards like this and controls this sensor and tells the ECU the position of this valve and everything that needs to know. And once that valve goes upwards, presses this little lever over here, just like that, and that regulates the amount of fuel to each cylinder in accordance of the throttle position. So instead of wasting any more time with this thing, I'm just gonna unscrew the same thing from the other vehicle, and I'm gonna mount it over here along with that injector that I mentioned. And if that is not enough, then I'm gonna proceed with the regulator and eventually this switch, which is the idle. And if that doesn't work, then I'm gonna deal with this sensor over here. Stay tuned. Soon enough I'm gonna open this thing and we're gonna see what is going on inside. Let's assemble the car with the new parts and see how she's gonna perform. Well guys, as you saw, the problem remained. Apparently there is something else wrong with this fuel system, because obviously when I start the engine it needs a minute to start working properly, otherwise it cuts off when the pedal of the throttle is released. So I'm gonna see what can I do about this, but it is gonna be later on, because I'm already tired, and at least I know that the injection system is fine, and there is something else that is to be blamed for this, and I'm gonna continue searching. So I'm not gonna give up on this car. I'm gonna find the solution to this thing. Otherwise I think that she can be driven now. And yeah, this is gonna be all for this test. We'll see how the things are gonna turn out eventually. So thank you for watching, stay safe, hope to find this interesting, and you may consider subscribing, sharing, commenting, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Take care, bye for now.